Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5085516 on your Windows 11 computer because of these error code, that is 0x8007005 or 0x8024001e. Now the first step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete over here, then copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update. Here you can see pause update option, hit pause. Once paused, now click on resume updates and then check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted. Click on OK, make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. Make a right click and then click on restart. Once done, scroll down somewhere at the bottom, you will see Windows Update, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Once done, you can go to Windows Update and over here you can click on check for update. If you see retry option, hit retry and then you can check. Still not working, you can use Microsoft Update Catalog. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5085516. The link is provided in the video description. Click on search. Now over here, let me change the language. Now check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command. Check your Windows version. In my case the version is 25H2, so check your version and then open Windows settings, go to Windows, go to system and then go to scroll down, go to about option. Over here you can see system type. In my case it's 64-bit operating system, so for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. So click on download and then click on KB5085516, click on it and then you can run this file. Once the download is complete, click on it, install this update manually, restart your computer and then check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option, scroll down, click on recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once this is done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then you can run this exe file. Click on it and then click on yes to click on accept over here. By default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, click on save. Now this process will take some time. Let the process complete. Once done, click on finish and once done you can go to desktop, make a double click on Windows. You have to let this close automatically and then go to desktop, make a double click, click on setup file, make a double click, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Over here you can see ready to install. By default the option to keep personal files in app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.